Hello everyone, in this video I will show you exactly how to create a free Supabase account and set up your first database. This will only take a couple of minutes, and by the end of this video you will have a real working Postgres database ready to use in your project. So first go to the supabase.com and click start your project. You will see a sign up option. You can either sign in with GitHub or with any other thing you want. So I will go with continue with ChatGPT and I will give access. Continue. Once you sign in, Supabase will automatically create a default organization for you. Think of organization as a container that can hold multiple projects. You don't need to worry about this one for now. We will just use the default, or if you want to give some name, then definitely you can give some name. For example, my app org, something like. You can give the name. Other option, you can select type personal, plan free. If you are going on the free plan, click on create organization. Here you will fill in few details. First you give the project name. This is just for you to identify it, so keep it simple. Like we can give it like a my first app, for example. And definitely after this one, set up database password, click generate password, so you can generate your strong password. And make sure to copy and save it somewhere, so you will need later to connect your app. For example, we can keep some password, like choose your own. I can keep this one, like this one. If it's still not strong, then you can put some strong one like this one. And you can then select a region. Definitely I'm going with Asia Pacific. And also you can enable automatic RLS if you want. Otherwise you can click on create new project. So once it's ready, you will land on your project dashboards. On the left side you will see few important sections. The one we care about is right now is the table editor, like this one. This is where you will create and manage your database table, visualize without writing any code. Also, like we just need to click on the create table button. And once you will click on the create table button, give it a name. You're all set to start like adding columns and data, but they're exactly where we will cover in the next video. So that's it. You now have a live Supabase account and working database. In the next video we will create our first table and add real data to it. If this helped, subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop a comment if you get stuck somewhere. See you in the next video. Thank you.